Hello. English 6 Grammar Practice presented by Viviana Rosa, Jeppe Serrano, teacher Andrea Paola Figueroa Ramírez. Activity. Create a video and answer this question. With your closest friends, how did you meet? How many friends do you have on social networking? Who were your friends when you were grow up? Do you have any friends that have exciting lyrics? Explain why. Who is your closest friend? Edgar Perez, who is my closest friend since I was 15 years old. How did you meet? I met him at neighborhood who lived near to my house when I was a little girl. How many friends do you have on social networking? I have 320 friends on Facebook and 30 on WhatsApp, but I don't chat with a lot of them. Basically, I have 5 or 6 friends of trust. Who were your friend when you were going grow weeks off? I grew up with my best friend Edgar Perez with Melissa Toro who lived near my house and Juan Agudelo who was my classmate until my graduation. Do you have any friends that have exciting legs? Explain why. I have a couple of friends who have amazing lives, since most of the time they are traveling to other countries around the world and also because they spend a lot of money on expensive clothes and cars.